Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope everyone's doing great and I'm also doing well. Today I'm going to share my thoughts as well as I'm trying to keep practicing a little bit speaking English. So let's begin. First of all, thank you for giving me your important time. It's time to never give up for myself because if I do, then I think they're helping for lots of people. In my village, I think this place, different place in the is physically student because if you are a student, then most of the people say you can't do it for anything, specifically in the field work. I think if you don't believe me for yourself, it's a very bad for your life. A year ago, I'm also couldn't understand what's going on in my life. When I was realized what's happening and what's going on in my life, then I decided I should be never give up for my dream as well as myself. That's why I'm trying my best day by day. When I was raised in the big city, looking forward. A lots of people are very busy for his life. But in the village, that's a different place. And between in the big city, this village, lots of people are couldn't struggle for his life. I think it was really bad if you don't believe me for yourself as well as your dream. I think it's a none of other business. If you have a dream, you must be struggle hard for your dream as much as possible. Then you will be able to do one day. If you have a dream, I think you don't talk about your dream, because this village, lots of people are talking about uh, another person dream, and then you must be don't do it for your dream, as well as you don't work for your dream. It was really bad for your life. That's why I can't talk about my dream as well as my work. I think if I have a struggle more and more, then you will be able to do one day. It doesn't matter what people say about you, because this these village peoples are lots of very bad. Sorry, this village, most of the people are really bad if specifically you are a student. That's why you can't talk about your dream. You must be struggle hard for your life, then you will be able to do one day. Otherwise, you can't achieve for your dream, and your you need to struggle hard. Looking forward uh, in the city and village, different place in the earth. It's including bad guy and good person. So that's all pity about me. Thank you everyone for your face and Harry. See you next video. Have a nice day.